Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Miranda and I'm here with a haul. Yes, so I have some, and it's Happy Meal, but I bought this Happy Meal myself. So is it really Happy Meal if you buy it yourself? I don't know, but let's take a look. I love Sarah Elizabeth prints. And another use of washi tape. Yes, cover up your vital information. So let's open these. I haven't taken a look. I just opened it so I didn't have to rustle around. Now look at her packaging. Has my name on it. Every time she has a sale, I do order. And I love her stickers. I love her kits. They're pretty. They're creative. All right, let's see what I got going on here. Okay. She's got a little card in there. Okay, then. Let's see what her little card says. And then we'll pull out, well, let's pull out everything in here. All right. Then I'll show you. It says Miranda, and it's handwritten, that personal touch. Thank you. And it says, thank you. Look at this, guys. Miranda, thank you for helping donate to the Red Cross by purchasing your blooming cranberry kit. I hope you love all of your stickers. XO Juanita. Juanita, I'm gonna absolutely love my stickers. Woohoo, I'm excited. So I got 2 bow decals, one teal, one silver. I'm gonna put them somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere. They're cute. Okay, so we'll set those there. Y'all look at these beautiful rose gold bows that I'm going to be using in my planner. And they're like, I guess they're vinyl because she cut it on her Cricut. I wonder if I could do this on my Cricut. I probably could. Yeah, these are cute. Can't wait to use them. All right. And then here's her sampler. It says be thankful. And then work, don't forget. Cute little bows. And I love the color scheme. It's not orange and brown and green, so I'm feeling it. Oh, there's another, the Planner Collaborative sale is November 8th through the 12th. Ooh, look at this blooming cranberry mini kit. It's so vibrant. Look at the colors. For it is in giving that we receive. That's beautiful. I can't wait to use those colors. Oh my goodness. So this is all part of the kit here. So these are your decor. There's 8 boxes of decor stickers, or full box stickers, sorry. And then we have our half box, our weekly trackers, a heart checklist box, hydrate stickers, quarter boxes, scallop boxes, flags, and checklists. Here are date covers, headers, washi, and then it also came with glitter headers, more decor, a weekend banner, and some flags. Look at this little planner. That's so cute. We like those. So that is one. Yes, this is also from Sarah Elizabeth Prints. So if you wanted to know, does she really include that personalized touch in every order? She does. Now don't ask me why I couldn't order it all at the same time. Let's see if it's the same letter. No, it's a different card. It says, thank you so much. Miranda, thank you for your continued support. I really appreciate it. I hope you love the new Thankful Kit as well as your functional stickers. XOXO Juanita. Isn't that awesome? Like, it's personalized to me and what I purchased. Okay, so let's see what we got. We have another sampler. Cute. And then these are the self-care stickers. So it says, you got this, party time, time for some R&R, pamper yourself, it's your life, me first. So I like those. Those are cute. And then here are some stethoscopes you can put next to doctor's appointments. I just thought they were cute. And this is a day off sticker. So when I'm going to make sure that with my new job, I track my days off, so I'll be using those. And let's look at this Thankful mini kit. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. Look at the purple. Look at the little dog. Thankful heart is a magnet for miracles. Oh, it's so cute. I love the pastel colors. Those are the full box stickers and their decor, of course. And these are half box, weekly tracker, heart checklist, quarter boxes, bill dues checklist, flags, hydrate, habit tracker, scallop stickers. Ooh, look at these date covers, fancy. And this week and to do and washi, of course. Then these are the glitter headers, and then there's the weekend banner, and then flags, cleaning day, time to plan, groceries, coffee, payday, trash night. Nice. And then this one is sick days, and I'm also going to be using this to track my sick day. And since I only get 5 a year, I'll only use 5 of these, unless I, have by chance some medical leave or something like that. Of course, not planning it, but definitely that's something I want to start tracking in my planner. Okay. Boom. Do y'all know what this is? That's right. It is my Simply Gilded kit. And I am super excited. Just look at the packaging. Look at that. Look at that hollow rock stars. And I know everybody else has put theirs on here, but literally I just got this today and I wanted to share it with you guys. Oh, I'm excited. Even though I know what's in here, I'm still excited. You guys, look at this rock star pen gems. Oh my goodness, my collection is really looking, ooh, look at that. That's hollow. My little collection is starting to look up. I'll show y'all my others, but let me show you this one. Y'all, look at this. Oh my goodness. So that's one. And I have this one. And I have this one. And I have this one. I have 4. Aren't they just beautiful? Look at the little gems on the top, glistening and shining and things. Look at the crystals inside. I absolutely love them. Now, I'm not going to say that. I'm going to have to find me a refill for the pen because they're ballpoint. So that part I don't like. But there are some gel refills. But the ones I purchased are like 0.38. And I don't do well with those super teeny tiny gel pens. So, but still nonetheless good pens, and I will stab you in your hand if you touch my pens. All right, so we will save this for last, which is the washi. Let's see. All right, we have the crystal hollow stickers. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Then here is the card. It says Dare to be Dazzling. That's so pretty. The journaling card. And then here are the stickers, and we're gonna open the stickers because I think the other box, this is only my second subscription box, but the first one I never even opened the stickers. I just want to see the kind of quality and what's in here. So you have your days of the week, remember, important, to do, to buy, to pay, vacation. Then you have these flags, and look at this. Look at these galaxy holographic checkbox. Date nights, happy, what does it say? Happy mail, celebrate, planning time, meeting, appointment, groceries, meal plan, cleaning day, laundry day. Oh wow, these are so pretty. And then on this side we have, it's a little bent. It came bent, but it's not messing up my sticker, so I'm good. Look at little Juniper with her little astronaut hat on and her bow on the outside. And then you have the constellations sticker, and then you have a crystal here, and then you have Rockstar here, and then today remember important to do to buy. And then here's another juniper. This juniper has a pink bow. This juniper has like a galaxy kind of bow. And then you got the moon there, these little crystals with a bow, and those are pink. Oh, I think it's totally cute. So let's put that back in there. And let's get to the real for real of the for real. Because you guys know I call Simply Gilded that exclusive. Okay, the exclusive washi. So this is the little pouch that it came in. It's pretty. It's got the little shaker, got the little stars in there. And we're just going to see what else is in here. I love the little bag. It's Balmy.com. And it's like a shaker pen pouch. So let's see. Yeah, it's cute. All right, that's cute. Okay, so you get a little notebook. Oops, I didn't mean to do that, but I'll put it back in. It's nice. It's stitched. So you can use that in your TN. Maybe this is about passport size. Then we have the sticky notes. Those are pretty. And then look at this magnet. It's everything. It's all glittering and glistening and bling blinging. And it's nice. It's not flimsy. It's got a little bit of weight to it. So, but let's look at the most important thing, the washi tape. Ooh. Look at the galaxy bows, guys. Those are so pretty. And I thought there was supposed to be something in here that tells you what's in your box. Okay. Mine was missing that. But it's okay. I know what's in my box. But that's beautiful. That's very beautiful. Okay. And then you have these galaxy, the confetti galaxy washi, I guess. And it's got the little holographic, and it's still got the ombre on the washi tape. This one is the holographic Rockstar words. Stardust, reach for the stars. So I can't really see what that says, but we're not opening them. And these are the moons. Look at them. Holographic. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then finally we have the little constellations as well. So this is the little kit, and I'm happy. I'm getting ready to put my washi up in the washi box. That's what I do when I get my kit. Well, this is only the second time, but I put everything in here that can fit in here. And I'll be taking my pen out and putting it with the rest of my gem pens. And then we're going to put this right on back in the box. And then I zip this up and store this. Okay, so that was my haul from Simply Gilded. And I am totally, thoroughly impressed. And my beautiful stickers from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. And yeah, so thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed my little haul, give me a little thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions about anything that I got today. I will tag the shops below. So if you're interested in preparing for her next sale or joining her next sale, on November 8th to the 12th, that's Sarah Elizabeth Plans. I believe Simply Gilded has a new release that's either coming out tomorrow, October the 26th, or Saturday, October 27th. I have not seen communication on exactly when. And I will tag her shop as well, and it's on Shopify. And if you're interested in signing up, she normally has open spots for subscriptions around the 13th of the month if you want to subscribe. The box is only I think it's $25 a month, and then $4 for shipping, so like $29 a month. But it's totally worth it when you think that, you know, 2 washi tapes could be $8 on her site. So it's totally worth it, and you're getting a lot more. That Pen Gems pen, they run about, I believe, like $12, maybe $14 for the pen. And this one is a limited edition. I understand that they're not making it anymore for the site. So I seen people selling the pen alone. I seen one lady selling it for like $60. So you make your money back. Just, you know, you get your bang for your buck, not make your money back. And I'm not encouraging you to sell your stuff, because I don't want to sell my stuff. I love my washi tape. Okay, guys. Well, I will see you guys soon. I'll be back for my meal plan for next week. Ciao, Bella. Oh, how can I say goodbye without asking you guys to give me a thumbs up on my video? Comment below which was your favorite part of this haul. And if you're not subscribing, hey, I would love to have you. And shout out to my A1s from day one for just hanging with me from the very start. And if you're not following me over at Instagram, pop over and holla at me. I'm at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. Now, with all of that being said, I will see you guys soon. Ciao, Bella.